Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Elena. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to add the reference window on Ibis Paint X. So yeah, let's get started. So first of all, let's go to Ibis, go into the year in the corner, go and tap, and you can see an user interface reference window, and that's all. So that's the easiest way to do it and the most directly. Or you can go to gallery and open any drawing you're working on, any file, go to edit, and then go to the little arrow in the corner and tap then, and you can go to settings again and user interface reference window, and that's all. You can see it shows like a little reference. It's like your drawing but in miniature. And you can also go and select a picture, in this case for example this one, and you can make it bigger, smaller, the way you like. You can move this little window around the canvas as much as you want. And I'm so excited that Ibis Paint X actually added this function. I think it's something that was lacking, and I'm super excited to try more about this software with this little function. So yeah, that's all for the video. I hope you like it and I hope you find this useful. So yeah, this is Elena, and see you in my next video. Bye.